Okay, so this is the Motone wiring harness just here. These are the Kellermann Attos. Okay, and this is the November Customs mount. And what I'll go through now is how to wire each of these up. So the first thing then, you need the left-hand Atto, you need the grey wire, and that will go to the brown wire on the harness. Then you need the right-hand indicator. The grey wire then goes to the orange wire on the harness. Then the tail light, so both grey and white wires on each Atto, they will come back and go into the yellow wire on the harness. The brake lights is a grey and red wire on each Atto into the red wire on the harness. And then the to earth or the neutral on both Attos need to go into the earth or the neutral on the harness. That's how the Attos are wired up. And then there's also a auxiliary connection, which is for your license plate light.